Welcome to Adobe Dreamweaver CC 2017. In this tutorial we're going to cover how to manage your sites, basically creating a new site. So a site is very important for a website to work properly. You need basically a folder on the someplace on your drive. I have it on my desktop here, so I'm going to minimize Dreamweaver here for a sec. I just create a folder that's empty. If you open it up, there's nothing in there, but it's simply titled Portfolio Website, and that's the first website I'm going to create here. So that's what you need. You need some sort of folder, for everything to be in, and then you need to basically tell Dreamweaver, hey, let's go to that site. So let's figure out how to do this. I've opened up Dreamweaver, and over here in my Files menu, I do have some sites already set up. The Artwork Gyms Kleckner here, my website. And if you click on this little arrow here, you can actually manage sites. So let me cancel out here. You can click on this arrow and go down to manage sites. Well, you open up your sites menu and you can create a new site from here. Okay, that's one way to go about it. I'm going to show you a couple different other ways. You can go to this little hamburger icon here, this little widget, and click on it, go down to site, and then choose new site or manage sites, and that will also open up the manage site window. You can also go up to the top window here in the control panel in Dreamweaver, go to site, and again choose new site or manage sites. So whichever one you want to do is fine. I can click on manage site and then click on new site, and it will open up this new site window. So basically what I do here is give it a proper name of some sort. So I can call it whatever I want. I'm just going to call this one portfolio. And then I'm going to click on this little folder icon to find out where to go for this browse folder to basically go where I need to go. So what I'm going to do is on the desktop here, I'm going to look for that portfolio website. So if I just type in P, there's the portfolio website, and then I click select folder. And now you can see the user, James, which is my name of the for a desktop, and you have portfolio website. So now it's accessing everything. Now the information here you don't need to know right now. Basically that's all you got to do, and then basically click save, and you essentially have your site set up. And so anytime you create new folders or new icons or whatever, you can basically direct it towards that, and I can just click done. So now I have my site set up. So now let's go ahead and create a new document. So let's go to File, New, and you can basically create documents in a couple different ways. You can click on Recent Files. You can use a starter template. You can also click on the Create New icon here. It'll open up the same thing here. So we're creating a new document, HTML, and we're going to use the HTML5. In here I could give it a title now, or I could give it a title later. I'm just going to leave it blank and basically click create, and once I do that, I have essentially an index page created, which has all the HTML basic tags down here at the bottom, and it has untitled one. So let's go ahead and save this. So go File, Save As, and you'll notice right away that what will happen is it'll go to that portfolio website, and that's where we'll save it. And this is going to be a root folder, so I'm always going to title this index. Anytime you do a root folder, you always call it index, and then basically it'll have the .html extension, and then just basically click save, and voila, we have now set up our site and started our very first index page. Until next time, see you soon in Adobe Dreamweaver CC. Cheers.